All right, Calvin, what are we gonna do in this experiment?
I don't know.
This one, we're gonna drop a whole bunch of baking soda inside of these glasses. And then, we're gonna put a lot of vinegar inside these glasses, and then we're gonna fill up these balloons with baking soda. And then, we're gonna make sure that they fill up with gas. All right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, first step, we're going to each get a funnel and each get a balloon. All right? You're gonna put the funnel inside the balloon and fill it up. You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop this baking soda here from this scoop inside the funnel, and it's gonna start the balloon up with lots and lots of baking soda. And then you just tap it so that it falls down. And if you need it a little help, you can use this thing. Ready? All the way up high. All right, now we've got to fill these glasses up with vinegar. You want that one to be yours?
Yeah.
All right, this one will be mine. You want to make sure you put enough vinegar in there so that it fizzes up a lot. You ready?
Yeah.
Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put these balloons over the top of these containers so that they stick on really well. You ready? I'm going to help you with this one. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Now, when I say go, we're going to drop all of the baking soda inside the vinegar. It's going to fizz up and it's going to want to explode. So I'm going to make sure to hold it down really, really tightly, and then we'll see what happens. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to try mine first, and then you can try yours. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Whoa! It's filling up with gas! Look at it go!
See it.
Oh my gosh! It's so big and it's still going! Look at all that fizz! All that CO2 is filling up inside the balloon. It's making it happy! It's a happy face! Ah! It got really, really big. It looks kind of like orange soda. Are you ready for yours now?
Yeah.
All right. Whenever you're ready, pick it up and just dump it in. Go, go, go! Ah, ah, keep going, keep dumping it. It's gotta fill up underneath. Whoa, there it goes. It's foaming and dumping, and it's filling up the balloon with foam. Ah, the green foam is inside the balloon. It's fizzing and fizzing. Oh my goodness.
It's blue.
It's getting bigger and bigger.
Whoa, it's blue.
Whoa, it turned blue.
And my favorite color is blue. And my favorite color is blue with this white.
Wow, I would have thought it would be green, but it's not. Oh, all the gas is filling up inside this balloon. They're so big.
There's too much gas. The balloon might pop. All the gas will go everywhere.